Hi, I'm Leland Hargill with your Eagle Nation News, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Frappuccinos at home. So, usually I double it, because I have a whole bunch of siblings. So you'll start with 1 cup ice. And then it's 1 cup milk, but I use these because it equals 1 cup. And so I added another cup of ice because I have multiple siblings, So you want to do about 1/4 cup sugar for a single serving is what it says, but I usually do about half of 1/4 because it makes it easier, but when you're doing double it, I would just... And then you want to do half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, but like I said, I'm doubling it, so just pour it in there. And then you want to blend it for about 30 seconds. It's also a great summertime snack.